again. It's, you know, she is crafty, I'll give her that. She posted a $40,000 bond at Rikers for some slut pig named, just a minute, Padre, named, Josephine Jensen. That's Swedish or something? Well, answer me, goddammit! I'm sorry, me padre. It's just that this was a few hours ago and I couldn't get to the fucking hotel. Well, I couldn't get a cab. I'm so sorry, me padre. It's just that, listen to me, listen. Those two girls, they go way back. They go way back to juvie. And, you know me, sir. I'm a track dog. I'm your hound dog, sir. I can smell her. I can smell her. I will bring her to you, and I will kill her or bring her to you alive. You decide. But I am I'm your fucking track dog. You know that. Well, of course I will. I'm not a fucking retard. Fucking pills.